Hey, everyone! Welcome back to my channel Earn Wisely, the go-to place for all things related to making money and building a successful online presence. Today, we've got a special video for our audience in Nigeria. We'll be discussing the top 5 online earning methods in 2024. So, if you're ready to boost your income from the comfort of your home, stick around. Method number 1: freelancing. Let's kick things off with freelancing. In a world where remote work is becoming the norm, freelancing is a fantastic way to monetize your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients worldwide. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a demand for your expertise. The key is to create a compelling profile that showcases your skills and provides value to potential clients. Make sure to stay tuned for tips on optimizing your freelancer profile later in the video. Method 2: affiliate marketing. Next on our list is affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. It's a low-risk way to earn, and there are numerous reputable affiliate programs out there. We'll discuss how to choose the right niche, select profitable products, and share effective strategies for promoting them. Stick around for valuable insights into maximizing your affiliate marketing earnings. Method number 3: online courses and ebooks. Now, let's delve into the world of online courses and ebooks. With the increasing demand for online education, creating and selling courses has become a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable make it easy to reach a global audience. We'll explore the key steps to developing and marketing your courses successfully. Stay tuned for tips on providing value, setting the right price, and growing your audience. Method number 4: e-commerce and dropshipping. Moving on to method number 4: e-commerce and dropshipping. The rise of online shopping presents a tremendous opportunity. Whether you choose platforms like Shopify or set up your own store with WooCommerce, there's money to be made. We'll discuss the basics of e-commerce, finding profitable products, and essential tips for customer service and marketing. Stay tuned for a deep dive into the world of online retail. Method number 5: cryptocurrency and trading. Last but certainly not least, let's talk about cryptocurrency and trading. The crypto market has gained significant traction, and it's not too late to get involved. We'll cover the basics of cryptocurrency, ways to earn through trading and investments, and the importance of understanding the market. Stick around for insights into reputable trading platforms in Nigeria and tips for navigating the crypto landscape. Conclusion. There you have it, folks. The top 5 online earning methods in Nigeria for 2024. Whether you're freelancing, exploring affiliate marketing, creating online courses, diving into e-commerce, or venturing into cryptocurrency, there's a method that suits your skills and interests. Remember, success comes with dedication and continuous learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions or comments down below. Thank you for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.